Alrighty, Michael, here's the 347 small block Ford, gift Christmas combination. Obviously, we've got the Edelbrock manifold on it now. Fuel manager, Terminator X, Holley, great system. Instead of our CNC head, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got a Eagle crank and rods with custom DSS Pistons. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,800, 380 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 432, peaks horsepower 503, rate of 500, so everything's good. Pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple of things. When you receive your engine, find the thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have some more tech stuff, and it'll also have your engine number. Highly recommend keeping that. That's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.